blessing everyone. Blessings from Eat Good TV. Scissoring, savoring. Little is much with all in it. Today we are making Annatto chicken. Let's begin. Here are the ingredients we need. We need our paprika, all-purpose seasoning, complete seasoning, ground black pepper, onion powder, crushed pepper, organic paprika, and this is allspice. I grind some allspice here, so this is allspice pimento, and this is minced garlic, and this is what I'm gonna use to make annatto seed. So this is what I'm gonna put in oil to make the annatto chicken. I'm gonna put some oil, and then I remove the annatto from the pot, then I place the chicken in the pot, but you'll see it as I go along. But this is annatto chicken. Chicken, assorted peppers, 1 large onion, scallion, 1 tomato, garlic, thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Half of Scotch bonnet pepper. If you like yours hot, you can use a whole pepper, but I like mine mild, so half of Scotch bonnet pepper will make it mild. Tablespoon complete seasoning, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon island jerk allspice seasoning. You can use any all-purpose seasoning. 1 tablespoon. You can use any all-purpose seasoning you like. Onion powder, half a teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon black pepper, as much as I have the Scotch bonnet, I like to use a little bit of crushed pepper. So that's crushed pepper, crushed red pepper, and this is smoked paprikas, and that's about a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, and this is a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. One tablespoon of pimento, and pimento is allspice. Pimento is allspice. 1 tablespoon of pimento. Pimento is allspice. Then we are going to add our large onion, our assorted bell peppers, our scallion, some people call it spring onion, our garlic, one tomato, six sprigs of thyme, and a half of Scotch bonnet. Just massage all the seasoning into the meat. Just rub it in, rub it in. Make sure you rub everything in. This is how it should look. Cover it and marinate for an hour, or overnight is best. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, any oil of your choice, but coconut oil is good. And then you're gonna add your annatto. If you have the annatto grain and if you have the annatto grain and you don't have the annatto powder, just add the annatto grain to the pot and remove them, then place the chicken in the pot. But I have annatto powder, so I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons of annatto powder to the pot. But I put it in the description box. And just Just move it around, just like how you do curry. It's just like making curry chicken. But this is not curry we're using. We're using the annatto to make the chicken. And then you're gonna add your chicken. Place your chicken in the pot. Just place your chicken in the pot, one piece at a time. With the seasoning. Add the chicken with the seasoning, and this is an old recipe. Our ancestors' recipe. We just add the chicken to the pot and then cover the chicken. And put it on low. Put the flame on low. And just pour all your seasoning in the pot and put the flame on low. And cover the chicken for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes on low, remove the cover and just mix it around to make sure it get the color. Just mix it around to make sure it get that nice color. And then you're gonna add water to the pot now, boiling water. Just add some boiling water, like about a cup and a half of water. And then you're gonna make this. I should just rinse this out. I'm just gonna rinse this out. Rinse out all that goodness from the bowl. And you're gonna let this cook for about, this gonna cook for about an hour and 15 minutes. But I'll check on it after half an hour. And medium. It's 30 minutes now. Remove the cover. So I'm removing the cover. Wow, it's smelling up the place. Smelling up the place. So just let it reduce all the way down. It's gonna cook for another 45 minutes or so, but just let it reduce all the way down. I'm gonna taste it to make sure it has enough salt, because I only had the all-purpose seasoning, so I'm gonna taste it to make sure. It is so good, but I need a little salt to it. I'm gonna add some salt. This is about a teaspoon of salt I'm adding here. It might seem like the bottle is spinning a lot, but just about a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm gonna just leave it for it to just reduce into gravy. All the vegetable, look at this. All the vegetable here is just to reduce to gravy. Just gonna reduce down to gravy. But this is a nice chicken. Annatto chicken is very nice. I grew up having this chicken, annatto chicken. There you have it, family, the annatto chicken. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all my upcoming videos. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.